Most people think you need talent, experience, or money to make money online. That's wrong. You don't need skills. You don't need a website. You don't need a big audience. In fact, you don't even need to be smart. What you need is a simple system that turns other people's problems into your daily income. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how ordinary people make $100 a day online without any special skills, without showing their face, and without building a brand. This is not theory. This is not motivation. This is a step-by-step method you can start today with just a phone or a laptop. Stay until the end because if you miss one step, the system will not work. Main content Tech Konu, AI-assisted simple service selling. The easiest way to make $100 a day online without skills is by selling simple digital services that people already need. You're not creating something new. You're not inventing anything. You're only acting as a bridge between tools and customers. The reason this works is simple. Businesses and content creators don't want to learn tools, they just want results. They don't want to edit videos, write captions, or prepare content. They want someone else to do it for them, even if it's basic, and this is where you come in. The service we focus on is short-form content creation for creators and small businesses. Every YouTuber, coach, or online seller wants short videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. They already have long videos, but they don't want to cut them into short clips. They don't want to add subtitles. They don't want to format them. They just want ready-to-post clips. This is a perfect service for beginners because you are not creating content from zero. You are simply transforming existing content into a new format. First, you need a tool. You can use free or cheap tools like CapCut, Descript, or online AI subtitle generators. These tools automatically cut, subtitle, and format videos. You don't need editing skills. You only need to upload a video, click a few buttons, and export the result. This is why this method is powerful. The tool does the work, you just manage the process. Second, you need customers. You don't need a website. You don't need ads. You only need platforms where people are already looking for help. The best ones are Fiverr, Upwork, and Twitter. On Fiverr, you create a gig called something like, I will turn your long videos into viral shorts with subtitles. On Upwork, you apply to jobs where people ask for video clipping or short content. On Twitter, you search for creators who post long videos and reply with value. You are not begging, you are offering a solution. Your message is simple and professional. You say, I can turn your long video into 5 short clips with captions in 24 hours. That's it. No story, no excuses, just result. People pay for clarity, not complexity. Now let's talk about pricing. You don't charge per hour, you charge per result. For example, you sell a package, 5 short clips for $20. 10 clients a day equals $100. Even 5 clients a day equals $100. You are not trying to become rich in one day. You are building a daily income machine. The reason this works without skills is because the market does not care how you do the work. They only care about the final output. If the clip is vertical, clear, and readable, they are happy. They don't ask if you used AI. They don't ask if you are a professional editor. They only ask, can you deliver? To make this system work, you must follow a routine. Every day, you spend 1 hour finding clients and sending messages. Another 1 or 2 hours fulfilling orders using simple tools. That's it. No meetings, no boss, no office. You repeat the same process daily. This repetition is what turns random money into consistent money. The biggest mistake beginners make is overthinking. They think they need to learn editing for months. They think they need a portfolio. They think they need permission. You don't. Your first sample can be made from any public YouTube video. You download a video, create 1 short clip, and use it as a demo. That's enough to start. Another mistake is chasing too many methods. Dropshipping, crypto, affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogging. They jump from one idea to another and never build income. This method works because it is boring but practical. You do the same thing for different people. You don't need creativity. You need consistency. Let's be realistic. The first day, you might make $0. The second day, maybe $10. But once you get one client, it becomes easier to get the second. Social proof grows, reviews grow, confidence grows. And suddenly, $100 a day is not a dream, it's math. 5 clients paying $20 equals $100. 10 clients paying $10 equals $100. The numbers are simple. The work is simple. The only hard part is starting and staying consistent. This is why this method is perfect for beginners. It does not depend on luck. It does not depend on viral videos. It does not depend on talent. It depends on demand. And demand already exists. Creators need shorts, businesses need content. And they will keep needing it tomorrow and next year. Strong ending. If you are broke, the problem is not the internet. The problem is that you are trying to be special instead of useful. Making $100 a day online without skills is not about becoming famous. It is about becoming helpful. Find a simple problem, use a simple tool. Offer a simple service, repeat it every day. That is how normal people make real money online. You don't need to believe me. You need to test it. Create 1 gig. Send 5 messages. Make 1 clip. Get 1 client. And when you do, you'll realize something important. The internet does not pay skills first. It pays solutions first.